talk about something like we have always start and stop. Okay, we write code in between. So this is what we have been doing so far. Okay, the reason I have created all this start, stop, all these things is to make you comfortable in understanding how to make the computer do. Initially, we typed some patterns. Then we made the computer type the patterns by giving some commands. Type the number, type the enter key, type the hyphen key, type the space key, type the sentence. Okay, all these things we have used and we have been doing. And later we created our own commands, and later we created our own functions, which will actually say the number 42 has 2 digits, 4 and 2. The sum of the digits is 6. Okay, or the reverse of the number 42 is 24. Okay, so such programs we are able to do. Okay, so we have covered very important ground where we can create our own functions. Okay, so now I will reveal this one also. Okay, what it is. Okay, this is actually start is nothing but nothing but this is not the right way. Many people, when we want to discuss with our friends, we say we'll start. Okay, maybe we should stop. Maybe. Okay, start. Okay, what this start is? Actually, this start is also a function. Start and stop combinedly is a function. Okay, which is Sankhya start. We'll have this one, and stop is okay. So this two lines combined is start. These two lines combined is stop. Okay, so in essence, this start and stop is there, right? Those are nothing but a function where our program starts. See, if you already know C, if you have learned something somewhere, if you have read something, you have saw something in the YouTube, please leave all that. Okay, and if you have joined today's class, this will be confusing if you're not joined all these things. So go through the recordings, you'll be understanding this. So people who are there from the start, I'm telling you, if you know something, forget all those things. Listen to these concepts and understand. Okay. Indulo start stop ane words pettam kada. That is actually translated into Sankhya start open bracket, stop ante venakki ivu 0. This one. So now we can write the code something like this. Okay. I'll show you. I'll make it bigger. Okay. Okay. So I'm writing some is what I means. Okay, you will be not able to understand this. So once I open the preview, you will understand. Okay. So start means Sankhya, start, and then bracket. Stop means I don't want to use this. I want to use, let me make it small. You can say, okay. Yeah. Venakki or written, both are same. Okay. Start means this one, and stop means this one. This collectively forms a function body. This bracket, open bracket, and close bracket, right? in between whatever we write, those things will actually happen. Okay. So, for example, let me open E4, no, AU.E42 game kernel. Okay. In this kernel, if you remember, once we have seen some functions in this kernel also. Okay. And you see this so if you see, these are comments like C, like in C, same. Like as I said, these are like useful for comments. Okay. And there is some difference. There is some function, but this is a function name, and there is some similarity between this and C. Okay. And normally in this, always the thing starts from here. There is something called function called .main. Okay, from this it starts. Okay, in our case, it starts in a function called start. Okay, so if you have not done this kernel at the starting, I will suggest you to go through the kernel once so that you understand. Okay, so if you run, it will actually move, turn right, and turn right means it will go here. It will do all these things and come back, move, and again go here, do this and come back. So this is the thing which you need to understand. Okay, there's a close similarity between this and C language. The comments that you see, the brackets and semicolons, the indentation, body, all those things are like here. If you have this, you can put this like this also. Okay, this will look something like this. So there is a similarity between this. So I would suggest you to go back and see this. Okay. Go back to Carol and see once again. So first time you don't know anything, right? That time when you're playing Carol, you are all like doing something, trying to type something, and you're you're in a hurry to solve it. Okay, you're not interested in observing what is this, what is that. But now, as I said yesterday, pay attention and observe the details. The details are important for us as a programmer, as a software engineer, or as a techie. Whatever you want to become, as a technical guy, you need to have attention to details. It doesn't matter whether it is software or mechanical or civil. If you don't have the attention to details, I'm sorry to say, you'll not be a good engineer. Okay, so attention to details are really important to become a great engineer.